Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add your phone number on the LinkedIn app when you're using it on your PC with the latest update. Adding your phone number can help you secure your account and make it easier for your connections to reach you when needed. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is the place where you'll find all your personal settings and account options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Here you'll see several categories, but what we're looking for is under Account Preferences. Open this section to continue. Inside Account Preferences, scroll down until you find Profile Information. Under that, you will see an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to move forward. Now, within this section, look for Contact Info. Once you find it, click on Edit Contact Info. This is where you'll be able to manage and update all your contact details. At this point, you'll notice a bar labeled Phone Number. Simply click on it and type in your number. Make sure you're entering it correctly with the right country code if needed. Accuracy is important, especially if LinkedIn will use it for verification or to help you recover your account in case of any issues. After entering your number, scroll down and click the Save button. This action will update your account information and securely attach your phone number to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number on your LinkedIn app using your PC. It's a quick process, and it makes your account safer, while also giving you more ways to stay connected with your professional network. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to practice this right away, so your profile stays up to date and secure. Adding this little detail can make a big difference when it comes to accessibility and account protection.